Dear friends, it's my long pending desire to start a training center in Mohali where I can train young engineers who have joined the industry as training engineer and after 1 year of their service they are confirmed. But it is observed that the seniors did not get time to train these engineers because the industry is because of their lot of pressures on them to cut down the overhead cost. The minimum manpower is kept, and the experienced persons with less qualification knows more than the young engineers. Now these fresh engineers, because of their lack of experience and knowledge, sometimes takes incorrect decisions which causes loss to the industry. These engineers learn some experience and then they hop to another industry to gain some extra dollars, and this ultimately results in higher attrition rate, sometime of the tune of 30 to 40%, which normally should be 5 to 6%. I have worked for about 36 years in industries like GNA, JCT, Vardhaman, Toshiba Battery and Torrent Pharmaceuticals, and widely travelled USA, UK, Japan and Germany. In these industries, people are using the best maintenance practices for the machines, and those, if utilized in India, we can improve our efficiency, product quality and customer satisfaction. Here comes my role where I will prepare a capsule for educate, for train these people for industry so that they convert to their utmost efficiencies. In industry also it is seen that major issues are on health, safety and environment. If people health is taken care of by the industry, they can work for longer years with more efficiencies without polluting the environment. Nowadays it is a major issue and concern. Later on it will become a disastrous if we do not contain such pollutions and take care of our workforce. I am interested to even train the young engineers who are passing out from the colleges looking for job in industry, can be mechanical, electrical engineers. They can approach me on the given address, and if the industry is having any interest, they can tell me their interest, and we can make the capsule suiting to them so that on mutual agreement within 1 month's time the training can be provided. Sometimes the fresh engineers appear for interview but they are not aware what type of questions they will ask, and they normally understand that the other person got selected, why not me? So if I train them, I can take out those people from that dilemma and they can prepare themselves best suited for the industry. Thank you very much.